Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Learning Tech. So today in this video I'm going to show you how can we get free data files in SPSS. Okay, so for that let me just open SPSS. Okay, so in this video I'll be just demonstrating you just to use the free data sample that are available in the computer after installing SPSS. Okay, so you can use these data files to practice or practice analyzing, and you can also use for many purposes. Okay, so I'm using SPSS version 26. Okay, you can just see here version 26 64-bit edition. Okay, so without any delay let's move forward to the location where the sample data files are located. Okay, so for that just simply go to file menu, or you can just click on the folder given here. Okay, let me just click on file, then after that just click on open and data. You can just see here file, open and data. Click on data, then after that just go to this PC, then choose the location C drive. Okay, so in that your files will be saved in program files or program files 86. Okay, whether it depends upon whether your computer or your laptop is 64-bit or 32-bit. so let me just go to program files. Okay, so you can just know your computer whether it's 32 or 64-bit, just going to just you can just click on my computer, then just right click on my computer, then click on properties, and you can just check your operating system. Okay, so for example go to this PC, then just click on right click. Okay, then just click on properties here, and you can just check whether it's 32-bit or 64-bit operating system. Okay, so where was I? Okay, then after this just click on program files, then just click on IBM folder. You can just see here IBM folder, and click on that, then click on SPSS, then just click on statistics. Okay, then I'm using version 26, so just click on 26 here, or whatever the version maybe, just click on the folder. Okay, so after that just click on samples, just here samples. Click on samples, then these are the languages. Okay, so you can just choose your own language, or you can just choose the common language, that is English. Let me just click on English now. Okay, so now here you can get many free data files. Okay, you can just see here you can use for main purpose. Okay okay, you can just get here many data files, and you can just practice your own analyzing. Okay, so you can just use demo or any other thing, and that SAV. Okay, so SAV, this is the extension file, this is the extension which is used for SPSS data files. Okay, for now just let me click on demo.sav, and let me click on open. Okay, so now here you can see here okay, then you can just further practice as you want. Just let me just give a few example. Let me just know the frequencies of any variable. So for that just click on analyze, click on descriptive statistics, and click on frequencies. Okay, so let me just calculate anything here. Okay, household income. Okay, then if I want charts, just click on charts, by chart or pie charts or histogram. Frequencies or percentage, you can just choose from here the chart values. Let me just keep as percentage. Okay, so continue, then just click on OK, then the output will be generated here. Okay, just you can just see the frequency table for household income in thousands. Okay, so valid 6400, missing value is 0, and you can just see here community percentage, valid percent frequencies. Okay, and you can similarly just see the bar diagram. Okay, and similarly you can also just see the diagram here. Okay, so pie chart is not possible for this, so okay. Then similarly you can also go to window, sorry, okay, and similarly you can just go to file menu and open and data, and you can just import any of the data file as you want. Okay, just let me click on coffee and click on open. Okay, so the data are very less numbers, which helps us to make us easier for analyzing. Okay, so whenever you want to view the open SAP file or free data sample file, you can just go to window and you can just check here. Okay, so the output demo.sav, okay, and coffee. Okay, so this is the method. Okay, just to get free data sample size, free data sample for practice and to learn more. Okay, so if the video was really advantageous to you all, just like the video and subscribe my channel for more videos in coming days. Till then everyone, take care. Thank you very much.